Is it possible to recover lost content? Fortunately, there are several options available to restore contacts on Samsung devices. Just explore the following solutions to start your pleasant contact recovery journey. Way 1. How to retrieve contacts from Samsung Galaxy via Samsung Cloud. Go to Settings, Personalization Account on your Samsung device. Select Samsung account from the list. Click Restore and choose Contacts. Start contact recovery by clicking Restore Now. Way 2. How to retrieve lost contacts on Samsung Galaxy with Smart Switch. Install Smart Switch from Samsung's site. Connect your Galaxy device. Select Restore to detect backups. Click Manually select File. Pick Device and Content. Click Restore for contact recovery. Way 3. How to get contacts back on Samsung using Google account. Navigate to Google Contacts website. Log into your Google account and click More. From the drop-down menu, choose Restore Contacts. Choose from 4 restoration periods or opt for Custom 2. Set a personalized period of up to 30 days. Once selected, click the Restore button in the pop-up window to initiate the recovery. Way 4. How to restore contacts on Samsung without backup. High success rate. You can regain access to your contacts from Samsung with the professional Samsung Contacts Recovery Tool Mobican Doctor for Android, a reliable program that can recover not only deleted contacts but also other files. How do I retrieve lost contacts on my Samsung with Mobican Doctor for Android? Step 1. Download and install Doctor for Android. Step 2. Scan lost contacts on Samsung Galaxy. Step 3. Store contacts on Samsung without backup. Way 5. How to recover contacts on Samsung by contacting service provider. Contact your provider support. Share account info and phone number. Request contact restoration help. Follow provided instructions. Verify successful restoration.